Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Hey, it's Christmas. Did Santa bring me enough presents? Well, certainly one could be enough. Nobody buys me presents. Is it enough presents? It's plenty of presents. Just one. It's the Plenty Vaporizer. Yay, it's Christmas. Okay, unboxing the Plenty. Open it up. And we have instructions. Looks like it's some kind of extremely complicated device. Maybe even a device that might create a nuclear explosion. It doesn't create a nuclear explosion, but kind of looks like it might. What have we got in the Plenty? Is there enough stuff in the box? There's plenty. This is a plug-in desktop guy. Also kind of looks like something you would maybe paint a wall with. Maybe if you're going to hang something up. Maybe some Christmas decorations. It looks like something you might use to do that. You know, you could be doing something on the wall. Fixing things. Anyway, this is the Plenty. It's got a cool gauge. Old school. It's got a switch on and off. It has a plug which goes in the wall, and it has a little dial here, 1 to 7. That's your heating. It takes about 3 minutes to heat up. Isn't it cool? So, I mean, it was really fantastic desktop vaporizer. I mean, once you put this thing down, I mean, you'll never pick it up. It's that good. What else have we got in the box? We have this. What is this? I hear you ask. It's the cooling coil. Cooling coil, never mind. So you attach it thusly. So, I mean, it also looks really cool, and you can look cool using it. And that's obviously, you push this trigger, and then you can vape. But I mean, I suppose if the local constabulary was to kick your door in at Christmas time and go, "We have heard there's some illegal activity going on in this house," and then they could look at this and go, "What is this?" That's for painting the walls. Officer, there's definitely no dried herbs in this house. We would never even think of doing anything like that, because we all love the law, love reading about the laws and paying attention to the laws, and would never dream of breaking any laws. Goes from 130 degrees Celsius to 202 degrees Celsius, and the lovely people at Storz Bickel they provide a 3-year warranty. Storz Bickel are a German company, and I believe the Christmas tree is a German invention. So there you go. That's the tenuous link. You have a grinder for grinding materials. You can grind any type of materials. You know, you could grind fiberglass, aluminium, reinforced steel, concrete. Most people tend to grind dried herbs, though. It is made out of plastic. Not the best for grinding reinforced concrete. You could try it if you like. You can always get an extra grinder if you want, because you're going to break it. There's the settings going all the way from 130 up to 202. Celsius. If you're from America or somewhere that uses the Fahrenheit scale, that's 266 degrees Fahrenheit all the way up to 396 degrees Fahrenheit. What was that book called? Fahrenheit 271 or something. It's in here somewhere too. That's about book burning though. You don't want to be burning books or your instructions. You don't want to burn your instructions because then you won't know how to use this fantastic device. There you go. It's got a wee intake in there. Looks really quite cool. And this curls. It's got a wee thing there so you can put it in. It is the curling one. You can actually just change it if you want to have a slightly different shape to it or squeeze it into a tight space. It is quite springy. So the Plenty Vaporizer is pretty fantastic and amazing. And you can close it and open it like that. And caution, because it can be hot. There we go. Let's pretend I didn't drop that. So we have unboxed the Plenty. It is amazing. The cheapest price I could find was on Everyone Does It UK at $179.99. Thanks.